Hello, in this video, we will learn how to recover a deleted Facebook page easily. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive updates. First, open the Facebook application. Click here. As you can see, we are now in the Facebook profile page, and we will check if we have a Facebook page. Click on this arrow. As you can see, we don't have any Facebook page, as I have deleted the one I had. Now, I will recover it in front of you. Then go to the search settings. Type in the search box the phrase page reactivation. Click on the option reactivate your page. You will see this menu that lists all the pages you have deleted, and you will choose the page you want to recover by clicking on reactivate. As you can see, the page has been successfully recovered. Now, let's go to the personal account to confirm. The page has been successfully recovered. It is important to know that this method is only effective for pages that have been deleted within 1 month. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe now and activate the notification bell to receive updates. See you in the next video, God willing.